So imagine yourself this weekend relaxing with this plate of asun, your favorite drink, and watching your favorite TV show. Bliss, right? Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me show you how to make this peppered goat meat at home this weekend so you can give yourself a treat. I'm going to leave the full list of everything I use in the description box below so you can check it out. So in my pot, I've added in my goat meat, curry and thyme, rosemary, ginger and garlic paste, knorr cubes, salt, onions, and bay leaf. I'm going to mix this together, transfer to my gas cooker. I'm going to boil this for like 5 minutes before I add in a little water because we want the goat meat to sweat out its own juice before adding water to it. So the meat has been boiling for 5 minutes now. At this point, I'm going to be adding in water and then cover to cook. Just keep topping it with water until the meat cooked properly. So while the meat is cooking, let's prepare our pepper base. We're going to need 1 bell pepper, 1 sweet long pepper, 1 tomatoes, and 1 onions. So because the onions is quite big, I'm going to divide it into 2. Blend half with the pepper base, and then I'm going to use the other half to make the sauce. So we want to roughly chop up our peppers. We don't want it too pureed. We just want it roughly blended. It should look something like this. Now that's it for the pepper base. Now onto our meat. Our meat has cooked properly. Now I went ahead to grill it and chop it into tiny bite sizes. You can also fry it if you want to. If you're frying, you're going to use the same oil used in frying the meat to make the sauce. Now I've added in oil into my pan. I've gone in with the onions. I'm going to stir fry this for like 2 minutes just so it releases its flavors, and I'm going to season this with some curry and thyme. Stir fry for a little bit, say 1 to 2 minutes, then add in the pepper mix. We are not using all the pepper mix. I'm going to be adding in like 5 tablespoons of the pepper mix. So we're going to fry this until it is well cooked and all the sour taste is gone, and then we are going to add in the rest of our seasoning. Okay, so the pepper mix has been frying for like 15 minutes now, and I'm going to add in the rest of the seasoning. I've added in my chili puree. I'm also adding in knorr cubes and salt to taste. Mix it together and allow this to cook for a few minutes. So after about 3 minutes, I'm going to go in with the chopped goat meat. I'll give that a quick stir, and something I like to do is to add in just a little drizzle of the meat stock just to release the sauce a little bit, and also add in more of that goat meat flavor. So to finish up the sauce, I'm going to be adding in white pepper and black pepper. This is a total game changer because it enhances and elevates the flavor of this dish. But you can totally skip this and your dish will still taste amazing. The white and black pepper just enhances the flavor of the dish. Now to garnish, I'm going to be using a little bit of green pepper and green onions just to garnish it. And look at that, our asun is ready. I do hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Until I come your way with another recipe. Bye.